Welcome to AnuStudies. I will be discussing the most important GK questions and answers from recent exams. Question 1. Which of the following cities is located along the side of River Seine? Answer is Paris. Paris, the capital of France, is located along the Seine River, which flows through the city's center and is integral to its geography and culture. Question 2. What is the structural and functional unit of life? Answer is cell. The structural and functional unit of life is the cell. It is the basic building block of all living organisms, performing essential life functions. Question 3. Under Article 243J, which of the following can make provisions for the maintenance of accounts by panchayats? Answer is State Legislature. Article 243J of the Constitution of India allows the state legislature to make provisions for the maintenance and audit of panchayat accounts. The state legislature is responsible for creating and implementing laws in the state. Question 4. Which of the following is a non-contact force? Answer is magnetic force. A magnetic force is a non-contact force, as it acts without physical contact between objects. In contrast, frictional and impact forces are contact forces, requiring direct interaction. Question 5. Motorcycle is related to battery in the same way as life is related to. Answer is sun. Life on Earth gets energy from the sun, which provides solar energy that plants convert into food through photosynthesis, sustaining life. Question 6. Corundum and cryolite are important ores of which metal? Answer is aluminium. Corundum and cryolite are important in the extraction of aluminium, but bauxite is the primary ore of aluminium. Question 7. Who headed the Royal Commission on Indian Currency appointed in 1913? Answer is Sir Austen Chamberlain. The Royal Commission on Indian Currency, appointed in 1913, was headed by Sir Austen Chamberlain and is often called the Chamberlain Commission. Its focus was on examining and recommending changes to the Indian currency system. Question 8. What is the function of chlorophyll in photosynthesis? Answer is absorbing light. Chlorophyll absorbs mainly blue and red light, reflecting green, and is located in the chloroplasts, where it helps convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Question 9. Which of the following is equivalent to Tesla? Answer is Newton per ampere meter. 1 Tesla is indeed equivalent to Newton per ampere meter. Question 10. Which of the following is a jade crop? Answer is fodder. Fodder is a jade crop, grown during the short summer season to feed livestock. In contrast, gram and mustard are rabi crops grown in winter, while cotton is a kharif crop grown during the monsoon. Jade crops, such as watermelon and muskmelon, thrive in warm, dry weather and require longer days for flowering. Question 11. What was the chief economic foundation of the triangular commerce between India, China, and England? Answer is opium. Opium was central to the triangular trade between India, China, and England. This trade system, known as triangular trade, involved England and China, helping balance economic exchanges. Question 12. In October 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose set up a provisional government of Free India which was recognized by how many countries, including Japan? Answer is 9. Subhash Chandra Bose's Provisional Government of Free India, also known as Azad Hind, was established on 21 October 1943 in Singapore. It was recognized by 9 countries, including Japan, Germany, Italy, and others. Question 13. Which part of the alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? Answer is small intestine. Small intestine, specifically the duodenum. Bile, produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, helps break down fats during digestion in the small intestine. Question 14. Under the Royal Titles Act, Queen Victoria became the Empress of India in. Answer is 1877. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India in 1876 under the Royal Titles Act, with the title officially proclaimed in India in January 1877. The Act aimed to strengthen the bond between Britain and India. Question 15. The ANZ extends along which of the following? Answer is west coast of South America. The ANZ extends along the west coast of South America. It is the longest continental mountain range in the world, running through countries such as Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. Question 16. By which time must a governor return an ordinary bill to the concerned state legislature for reconsideration? Answer is no time limit. The Indian Constitution does not specify a time limit for a governor to return an ordinary bill for reconsideration, so the answer is C, no time limit. A governor has discretion in this matter, but cannot return a money bill. Question 17. The process of breaking down organic matter by microorganisms is called. Answer is decomposition. The process of breaking down organic matter by microorganisms is called decomposition. Decomposition involves bacteria and fungi breaking down complex organic matter. Question 18. Who among the following Indian capitalists was not the architect of the Bombay Plan? Answer is Dhirubhai Ambani. The Bombay Plan, created in 1944, was a blueprint for India's economic development, developed by prominent industrialists like J.R.D. Tata, G.D. Birla, and others, long before Dhirubhai Ambani's rise in the business world. Question 19. Which country became the first to bring soil from the dark side of the moon in June 2024? Answer is China. In June 2024, China's Chang'e 6 mission became the first to bring soil from the moon's far side. The probe returned lunar samples, including volcanic rock, to help understand the moon's geological history. Question 20. Which of the following is a major cause of air pollution? Answer is burning of fossil fuels. The major cause of air pollution is burning of fossil fuels, which releases harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Other factors like plastic disposal and deforestation are less significant in causing air pollution. Question 21. Who was the first one to propose a model for the structure of an atom? Answer is J. Thomson. J. Thomson first proposed that an atom consists of both positive and negative charges, with electrons enclosed in a positively charged cloud. This model is known as the plum pudding model of the atom. Question 22. What are the reproductive organs of a flower called? Answer is stamen and carpel. The reproductive organs of a flower are the stamen, male, and carpel, female. The stamen produces pollen, while the carpel produces egg cells and protects the embryo. Other flower parts include sepals, petals, and nectar glands. Question 23. Which state has only one member in the Lok Sabha? Answer is Sikkim. Question 24. Which Indian state had the first woman chief minister? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. The first woman chief minister of India was Sucheta Kripalni. She served the Uttar Pradesh government. Question 25. Who appoints the governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is the President of India. The governor of a state is appointed by the President for a term of 5 years and holds office during his pleasure. Only Indian citizens above 35 years of age are eligible for appointment to this office. Executive power of the state is vested in governor. Question 26. Who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India? Answer is Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is vested with the power under the Code of Civil Procedure to transfer any case, appeal, or other proceedings from one high court to another. It can also transfer cases from a civil court in one state to a high court or other civil court in another state. Question 27. The contingency fund of a state is operated by? Answer is Governor of the state. The governor of a state operates the contingency fund, established under Article 267(2) of the Constitution. Question 28. Who was the first President of India to die while in office? Answer is Zakir Hussain. Two Indian presidents, Zakir Hussain and Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, died in office. After Zakir Hussain's death, two acting presidents held office before V. Giri was elected. Question 29. The study of sound and sound waves is called? Answer is acoustics. It covers the science of sound, including its production, transmission, and effects, with applications in various fields like audio engineering and noise control. Question 30. Which type of sound wave is used in sonar? Answer is ultrasonic waves. Sonar uses ultrasonic waves to determine the distance and location of underwater objects by measuring the time for sound waves to reflect back. It's widely used in navigation, exploration, and fish finding. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.